Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to check and run dark mode on your mobile device, on your Android phone, even if your phone doesn't support dark mode. Here we have emulator which has Android version 7.1.1. So this version of Android does not have dark mode option. As we can see here, there is no dark mode, but and I also use my private mobile phone, which is which has Android version 9.0, which also does not have dark mode. From version 10 there is dark mode option, but in this example I will show you on this emulator it's the same thing. So if you want to test the dark mode, all you need to do is in your application class on create function. So this is on create for your whole application, for all the activities that you will have in there. Here you need to call only one line of code, which is app_compat delegate set default night mode, and here you can choose mode night yes. We need to import this property, import it from this first line, so Android X app_compat app_compat delegate. And now we will try to run the application. So here this screen that you can see now is normal mode, light, and when we try to run this we get dark mode. And that's it. That's all you need to do in order to test the dark mode on the device that has Android version below 10. We'll just check the. Here I have compile SDK and target SDK 34, which is Android 14. Okay. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.